Imagine a greenhouse on Mars, bathed in pink sunlight. The sky, a soft hue of pink, casts a surreal glow over the landscape. Inside, rows of green plants thrive, nurtured by advanced technology and human ingenuity. These plants are not just surviving, they are flourishing in an environment once thought impossible for life. This isn't science fiction, it's a vision of the future. A future where humans have extended their reach beyond Earth, creating new homes on distant planets. Growing plants on Mars is crucial for human survival there. It's a key part of the plan to make Mars a second home for humanity. It's more than just food. It's about creating a self-sustaining environment, a closed-loop system where every resource is recycled and reused. Plants provide oxygen, purify water, and offer psychological comfort in a harsh, alien world. They are the backbone of a sustainable life support system. Imagine astronauts stepping out of their habitats and into a lush Martian garden, a place where they can find solace and a connection to Earth. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of life. Freshly grown produce offers not just nutrition, but a taste of home. This vision is a powerful motivator for scientists working tirelessly to make it a reality. Their efforts are paving the way for a new era of space exploration and human settlement on Mars. Mars is a tough place to live. Its barren landscape and rocky terrain make it a hostile environment for any form of life as we know it. Its atmosphere is thin, offering little protection from the sun's radiation. This means that any human presence on Mars would need to be shielded from harmful rays. Temperatures are extreme, swinging from frigid nights to barely above freezing during the day. These drastic changes make it difficult to maintain a stable environment for living organisms. The soil is toxic, lacking essential nutrients for Earth-based plants. Scientists are working on ways to modify the soil or use hydroponics to grow food. These challenges seem daunting, but scientists see them as puzzles to solve. They are developing innovative solutions to make Mars habitable. Just like we've adapted to life on Earth, we can learn to adapt to Mars. Plants will be key to that adaptation, providing food, oxygen, and a sense of home in an otherwise alien world.
To grow plants on Mars, we need to recreate Earth-like conditions. This means building controlled environments, like greenhouses, to shield plants from the harsh Martian elements. These structures will regulate temperature, provide artificial sunlight, and enrich the atmosphere with carbon dioxide, which plants need to photosynthesize. Imagine these greenhouses as bubbles of life, scattered across the Martian landscape. They represent our ingenuity and determination to make a home for ourselves on another planet.
Martian soil, called regolith, is full of salts and minerals that are toxic to Earth plants. These minerals, while fascinating, pose a significant challenge for anyone hoping to grow crops on Mars. The high levels of perchlorates and other toxic substances make it nearly impossible for Earth plants to thrive without intervention.
However, scientists are experimenting with ways to flush out these toxins and introduce beneficial microbes. By using advanced filtration systems and bioremediation techniques, they aim to cleanse the soil of harmful substances. Introducing beneficial microbes can help create a more hospitable environment for plant growth, turning the once toxic regolith into a potential farming ground.
Imagine using Martian rocks to create hydroponic systems, where plants grow in nutrient-rich water instead of soil. This method bypasses the need for soil altogether, allowing plants to absorb nutrients directly from the water. Such systems could be set up in futuristic greenhouses, providing a controlled environment for crops to flourish even on the harsh Martian surface.
Turning Martian soil into fertile ground is a major challenge, but it's not insurmountable. With the right technology and innovative approaches, what seems like a barren wasteland could become a thriving agricultural hub. Scientists are exploring various solutions, from using special filters to genetically modifying plants to tolerate Martian conditions. These genetic modifications could enable plants to withstand the harsh environment, making it possible to grow food on Mars and support future human colonies. The journey from toxic soup to fertile ground is complex, but with determination and ingenuity, it is within reach.
Water is scarce on Mars, but it's not entirely absent. There's frozen water beneath the surface and in the polar ice caps.
Scientists are developing techniques to extract this water and purify it for plant use. Imagine using special nets to capture morning frost and melt it for irrigation.
Water is the lifeblood of any ecosystem, and finding ways to access and utilize Martian water will be crucial for sustaining plant life and, ultimately, human life.
Not all plants can survive on Mars. Scientists are focusing on hardy crops like potatoes, lettuce, and algae. These plants can tolerate harsh conditions and have high nutritional value.
Imagine astronauts enjoying a fresh salad grown right on Mars, a taste of home millions of miles away.
The success of these early Martian farms will pave the way for more ambitious projects, eventually transforming the Red Planet into a more habitable and familiar world.